Hi, I'm Andres Olivares del Campo, a particle physics PhD student at Durham University in the UK. On December 20th and 21st, I gave a workshop about the neutrino detector, IceCube, at two high schools in Madrid, the Ramiro de Maeztu and the Rosa Chacel. This workshop was carried out thanks to the prize I won after participating in the Spanish version of the REACH activity, I'm a Scientist, Get Me Out of Here, aimed at 10 to 18-year-old students. IceCube is a neutrino detector that was built at the South Pole to study the neutrinos that were created in different parts of our universe. Neutrinos are tiny particles that barely interact with any other type of matter. Therefore, in contrast with light rays, neutrinos can travel long distances going through any planets and stars they find on their way. In short, IceCube is like a telescope that instead of studying the light that reaches us from the stars, it's able to see neutrinos. And this is very interesting because neutrinos carry completely different information about what happens in our universe. During this activity, 17 to 18-year-old students were able to use real data in order to repeat an analysis carried out by scientists working at the IceCube experiment. The aim of this workshop was to identify neutrinos arriving from sources farther away than within our galaxy. In fact, this discovery was so important that in 2013 it was published in the famous scientific journal Science. If you found this activity interesting, I have collected in a website all the necessary material to carry out this workshop. In this way, any teacher who is interested in repeating this activity with their students only needs to enter the website that you will find in the video's description and follow the written guidelines. In this website, you will also find a PDF where I explain what neutrinos are and what the workshop is about. Lastly, I have included a small quiz that the students can take in order to evaluate how much they have learned. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to write me an email. I really hope you enjoy it.